This video is for 2007 Saturn Sky. Purchased this car about a month ago. For the first week or two, whenever I'd take my key and try and start the car, the anti-theft light on the bottom right side would flash and prevent me from starting the car. I thought it has something to do with maybe the engine or who knows what, but after taking apart my fob remote, I'm going to take this guy and peel it open. Mine has already been repaired, but inside of here you're going to take this out and double check that, first of all, just buy a new battery for what it's worth, and second, these three solder joints that hold the battery clips together, make sure this is not all broken off. On my car, both of my fob remotes are broken, and I'm assuming this had something to do with the car not starting. I resoldered my joints, put a new battery in, put the remote back together, started the car, and ever since that, it's been about 2 weeks now, the car has started every single time. Hopefully, if you have this issue, this will resolve your anti-theft light going off. Good luck.